Hey, Moshberry here. Welcome to The Proven, and here is how to create campaigns for viral traffic. Click on the Add Campaign button on the top right corner, then select the type of contest you want to run. Just hop on these question marks and the pop-up will tell you which type you can choose for what. Let's choose a giveaway campaign that allows you to set multiple prize for multiple winners. I choose a name for weight loss niche, the biggest weight loser, and selected an end date. I chose the site name where the campaign will be hosted and the site domain, and then click continue. I have put the first prize as first prize and a coupon code as the first prize. Then I will click the plus button to add more prizes. Now I have added another prize, which is second prize. I'm going to add another prize. This will be third prize, and the coupon code will be $20 discount, and continue. I'll choose the points for each action. So sign up will be the most, and then referral, views, social. I'll choose referral as 20, view as 10, and social would be 15. Then continue. Upon signing up, this will be the messages, confirmation, welcome, and existing user on screen, and on email they will receive a confirmation, welcome, and unsubscribe message if someone decides to unsubscribe. Then click continue. Now you choose the layout of the form. It can be form, simple form like this, or it can be widget like this. All these can be changed from the content, appearance, and settings. And here is where you can choose your autoresponder and the list associated with the autoresponder. By the way, before you choose autoresponder here, you have to integrate your autoresponder from this section. I have just connected my autoresponder and the list, and I will choose a widget. It looks nice, and then I will click continue. Now I'll choose which social platform to use on the contest. For social share, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest would be good for now. Click finish. Boom, job done. Take this script, copy it, or just click copy script and install in your website. That's it.